Khilaf. Khilaf. Khilaf means against or contrary. Khilaf. Khilaf means against or contrary. Khilafat. Some people think that Khilafat is a variant of Khilaf, and it means to oppose or opposition, but it's not so. Khilafat is entirely a different word. Khilafat comes from the word Khalifa. So Khilafat means the country a caliph rules, or the period of time when a caliph rules. Khilafat means the country a caliph rules, or the period of time when a caliph rules. So Khilafat has nothing to do with khilaf. So khilaf means against or contrary. Khilafat means the country a caliph rules, the period of time when a caliph rules. And mukhalif. Mukhalif means opposition or to oppose. Mukhalif. Mukhalif means opposition or to oppose. Mukhalif. Mukhalif. Sorry, mukhalifat. Mukhalifat. Mukhalifat means opposition or to oppose. So mukhalifat, actually mukhalifat is variant of khilaf. Khilaf means against or contrary, and mukhalifat means opposition or to oppose. Khilaf has nothing to do with khilafat, because khilafat is a variant of khalifa. So khilafat means the country a caliph rules, or the period of time when a caliph rules.